Hi, I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to CCL TV. Today we're here at the E-commerce Berlin Expo and lovely Heidi from Wish is joining me. What a beautiful city. Thank you so much for being here, Heidi. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you, Nadia. How are you?
Yes, good, thank you. Thanks for being here. Now, could you tell us, the audience, a bit more about yourself and your role at Wish?
Sure. I work in the Wish Merchant Business Development team, and I've been in marketplaces and retail tech companies for the last 10 years now. It's been a hugely evolving space, and every day is a new challenge. And that's certainly what keeps me within this industry. Wish is a global mobile marketplace. We were founded by a couple of ex-Googlers from San Francisco who saw a huge opportunity to start an e-commerce platform that brings affordable goods to a value-conscious consumer that felt we were left behind by traditional e-commerce.
And I guess over the last couple of years, that's expanded even more, right?
We've grown to sell every type of product, everything from your avocado slices for the typical household customer to paddle boards for the active sports enthusiast. And my role now is really focused on three areas. First being new merchant signups, bringing new local European merchants to our platform. Second part is supporting and developing top-tier established partners, making sure they're getting the most out of our platform. Thirdly, as well, improving the merchant experience on the platform and always advocating for our merchants.
And what's your USP?
So our USP is that we're a discovery-based marketplace. So our founders realize that, when everyone goes shopping, they don't always know what we're looking for. And when you go to the shopping mall, you go to be inspired, and we really tried to recreate that with shopping on Wish. As you're browsing through our feed, it's a really interactive and immersive experience. And I am someone that likes, trending beauty products. So as I start to resonate with the tile feeds, start clicking in, showing my interest within that category, what I'm willing to spend, we're using data science technology to put products in front of users that are most likely to buy them. Mm-hmm. Second of all, our USP is that we're mobile first. So everything is built around our mobile app. And it's really to capture the kind of intent of the shopper at that moment of inspiration. I would say our last USP as well is we're truly global. Wish is in over 60 markets around the world, and we have 40 language translations and local payment options as well. And our brand has been hugely successful. We have over 40 million customers in 60 markets, and many of those are here in Europe, making it a great choice for both customers and merchants.
Wow, that's amazing. Now, just going back to one of your points about first is mobile, how long has it been first mobile? Has that changed recently?
It's always been predominantly mobile-first platform. We have a lot of exciting changes happening this year, a lot of new features being rolled out with that real element of user discovery on mobile happening.
Mm-hmm. And with e-commerce showing no signs of you slowing down, what are your plans over the next few years? How are you going to stay that one step ahead?
It's certainly not slowing down, and those habits have really shifted in the last few years. Wish will be focused on customer experience and bringing that discovery to life. We have a number of features that we're rolling out to aid that user discovery, including newly redesigned homepage and Wish clips. As I'm sure you know, video commerce is a hugely and rapidly evolving space, and Wish has wanted to be a part of that for some time now. Video shopping allows the user to have a really interactive experience with that product, get to know how the product is used on someone before they make that path to purchase, and we're making that super easy for them with Wish clips.
That sounds great. I can't wait to see more of that, actually. So yeah, we'll be watching the Wish website. Now tell us what e-commerce and supply chain companies can get out of coming to an expo like this.
Wish, we're here today to meet with as many new connections as possible. And it's really that kind of in real life, being here, making those connections, the magic that's happening here in the corridors that you perhaps don't get from a computer screen. So, I'd really just encourage the audience to fire up new conversations and meet with prospective partnerships that are here today.
And at these conferences and forums and events, does the topic of cross-border customs duty compliance and IOS come up very much?
I'm certainly not the subject matter expert on that. We do have a team of experts here in Europe and US, but Wish is always compliant from a VAT compliance perspective or product safety, whatever evolving regulations are happening. Back at base, they're always working with cross-border customs clearance to ensure that our sellers are equipped with the right tools and that we have them available on our marketplace.
And Heidi, from a sustainability perspective, what are your key focus areas to reduce the carbon footprint?
Sustainability is certainly on everyone's mind. If Wish can go the extra mile in helping to onboard local sellers from here in Europe, we're going to reduce some of that mileage between our sellers and our customer base. As a marketplace, it can be a challenge to encourage merchants to improve their environmental impact through the choices that they make. However, some of our merchants are certainly making some fantastic strides within this space. And one of our partners, Rex Brown, who serve many of our product categories at Wish, have warehousing technology that is an innovative cardboard box machine. Every single Wish order that goes out the door is custom wrapped to the individual size of the product, eliminating any waste out of that box. And they have been able to reduce their waste by over 30%, making custom boxes to the size of the product.
That's amazing. That in itself is a great initiative. And tell us about your short, mid and long-term strategy goals for 22-23.
Wish is certainly in a transformational phase at the moment. Since going public a few years ago, we've brought on board a whole new leadership team, highly motivated to make long-term positive changes for our platform. We are focused on 3 pillars. First of all, being improving the customer experience. Second of all, deepening our merchant relationships, and that's why I'm here today. Thirdly, improving our operational efficiencies. Over the last 6 months, we've introduced Wish Seller Standards. This is a scoring system that scores our merchants on their exceptional service that they're offering. We are promoting outstanding merchants, and we only want to be working with the best. This is shown to customers through a Premier Merchant badging. We've also made a move to being an invite-only marketplace. Reputation is everything, and each merchant is now vetted for experience and service by our business development team. Over the midterm, we will be rolling out a number of features that bring that user discovery to life, including the newly redesigned homepage and Wish Clips. But over the long term, we are really focusing on our customer and deepening those merchant relationships. We are nothing without our merchants, and we value all the feedback that they bring to our platform, and improving that experience is most valued to us.
Well, there's some exciting prospects there over the next year or so. Now, could you use one word to describe your experience here at the E-commerce Berlin Expo?
I would say energized, yeah. Energized to be here in person, energized to be making new connections, meeting with new sellers here in Europe. Germany is a great hub for e-commerce. Lots of brands and companies are based here, and we're looking forward to making some long-term partnerships today.
And what are your thoughts about CCL TV being here?
Fantastic. I've been watching some of your videos, and it's really knowledgeable, educating the audience on, market changes that are coming out. And yeah, it's lovely to meet you guys.
Well, it's been lovely to meet you. Thanks so much for giving up your time to come and see us. Hopefully we'll see you again soon, and good luck with the rest of the event.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.